Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
If you want to watch new videos on our channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Like the video and share it with your friends. Moreover, comment below for your suggestions. Now let's come to today's video. 15 benefits of keeping your life private. 1. The less you share, the less likely people will be in your business. 2. You'll stop caring about people's opinion about your life. 3. You won't have to seek validation to do what feels right for you. 4. You'll attract peace into your life. You'll experience less drama, toxic energy, and more time alone. 5. If everyone is your friend, you've a problem. You can't trust anyone with personal information. 6. The real flex is being private, staying low-key and telling no one about your life. 7. It'll be 10x easier to walk some paths alone to achieve your personal goals. 8. Privacy teaches you independence and how to connect with people on a deeper level. 9. Everyone leaves. You'll learn how to be alone and not feel lonely. 10. When you build in silence, people won't know what to attack. 11. People don't care so much about you. They only care on what you can offer. 12. People will want to know more about you when you talk less of yourself. 13. You'll owe no one any explanation about your personal life. 14. Not everyone is your friend. Live a private life to never attract bad energy. 15. You'll learn when to be alone and when to be with others. If you like the video, subscribe our channel and appreciate us. For new videos, press bell and get notifications. Like, share and comment below for your suggestions and feedback. Thanks for watching.